Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking a closer look at a truly essential accessory for anyone with a Yamaha DTX452K electronic drum set, or indeed, a range of other compatible devices. We're talking about the SLLEA 6-foot USB cable data sync cord. This isn't just any cable. It's designed to be a reliable replacement and a significant upgrade for your connectivity needs. One of the first things you'll appreciate about this cable is its generous length. At a total of 6 feet, or 1.8 meters, it provides ample reach, eliminating the common frustration of having your devices tethered too closely together. No more worrying about the distance between your drum set and your computer or your printer and your PC. This extra length offers much-needed flexibility in your setup. When it comes to performance, the SLLEA cable truly shines. It's a USB 2.0 device, capable of transferring data at speeds of up to 480 megabits per second. This ensures that your data syncs quickly and efficiently, whether you're recording MIDI data from your drums or sending print jobs. What's more, it's backward compliant with full-speed USB 1.1 at 12 megabits per second and even low-speed USB 1.0 at 1.5 megabits per second, meaning it will work seamlessly with a wide array of older devices as well. In an age where wireless connections can sometimes be finicky, this cable offers a more stable and undeniably more efficient way to work, ensuring your connection remains solid and uninterrupted. Durability is another key aspect where this SLLEA cable stands out. It's built to last, boasting an impressive lifespan of over 10,000 bands. That's several times longer than many original equipment cables, which speaks volumes about its robust construction. The cable features a premium metal housing and is crafted from durable, environmentally friendly PVC materials. These materials provide excellent protection against scratching and abrasion, significantly prolonging its service life. This means you can rely on it for the long haul, even with frequent use and movement. Quality assurance is also a priority for SLLEA. These cables are 100% brand new and undergo rigorous testing by the manufacturer to ensure high quality. They are also CE approved, providing peace of mind that the product meets recognized safety and performance standards. This commitment to quality ensures a safe and dependable connection every time. Finally, let's talk about its impressive compatibility. While it's an ideal replacement for the Yamaha DTX452K electronic drum set, its utility extends far beyond. This printer cable, as it's often categorized, is compatible with a vast range of devices. This includes popular Epson printer models like the XP, 600, XP, 200, WF, 7710, and many others. It also works perfectly with various music production and audio equipment, such as the MC8000 MIDI controller, the 2i2 audio interface, Bluetooth Canon MX492, Akai USB EWI, and a variety of other MIDI controllers and keyboards that utilize a USB 2.0B port. So, whether you're a musician, a home office user, or someone with multiple peripherals, this cable offers a versatile and reliable solution for your data transfer needs. It's a solid choice for anyone looking for a dependable, high-performance USB connection.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.